Today is the beginning of a new era with the presentation of our first high-performance electrified vehicle. Now I will show you the main details and features of this fantastic drivetrain. Our legendary V12 meets a performance-oriented hybrid system, resulting in a maximum reactive and sharp and emotional drivetrain. Thereby, the V12 has been rotated by 180 degrees, resulting in a completely new architecture. The V12 has been revised completely with an outstanding power output. We have more combustion power, we have more revs, we have more thrill, and we have more emotions. The overall power output is more than 1000 CV. For the first time, we have used a transversal 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox. This gives us a completely new architecture. The gearbox is assembled transversal. This allows us a perfect weight distribution, a very compact architecture, incorporating also an electric motor. This electric motor has three main functions. First of all, it starts the V12 engine. Secondly, it's also able to recharge the battery if needed. And last but not least, it's also delivering additional torque in the case of maximum acceleration and also improving the shifting. The monocoque consists of carbon fiber, but let's go in the detail now. In the monocoque of the new 744, we have incorporated all our experience on carbon fiber technology. We use several different technologies to reduce the weight as well as increasing the stiffness. Both we have achieved in a very dramatic way compared to the old Aventador. To give you one example, for instance, in this monocoque we use a so-called rocker ring. This rocker ring is a unique part that combines several different parts, allowing us the best functional integration, less parts, less weight, more stiffness. For the first time in a serious production car, we used even a carbon fiber front end, including the crash elements, the so-called cones. These are made of forged carbon fiber that enables really an extremely high energy absorption, enabling on one hand an improved safety combining with a reduced weight. So we have seen that carbon fiber as part of our technology DNA plays also in the 744 a very important role.